It's gonna be freezing. Oh my god, it's really freezing. Stalking him. Stalking him. Dude, that was pussy. Ah! No! No! Alright, worst videotape ever.
Aren't you testing? You're right there.
I will. Don't push me though, I don't want to drop my phone. Look at the beef I almost took. Wait, where is it? Oh, is it already washed away? Oh, here it is. Hold on.
You're like 20 feet away.
Look, I almost beefed earlier. Alright, ready? I don't want it to get my shoe, my gym shoe. Oh, I'm scared.
It's water.
It's cold. Alright, here it comes. Oh no. Oh no! Not in my shoe! Not in my shoe. I didn't get it.
Well, try again. Not that difficult.
The waves are nice though. Alright. Oh my god! It's freezing. Well.
High beam type freezer?
Dude. Yeah. I'm going backwards. This is amazing.